What is up, folks? This is Andrew with mywatchaddiction.com, and today we have the unboxing, or in this instance, the unbagging of my Watchgang Black subscription for June 2018. So this month's Black subscription from Watchgang, to me, came in a just plain padded envelope. So rectangular box, I can feel it, not a whole lot to it. Incidentally, this one did come from West Park Ave, Suite 101, Redlands, California. Redlands, California is where this Watchgang Black subscription came from. So let's tear into this guy and see what we got here. And first and foremost, we have their Father's Day edition poster, which we can dive into this if you guys want, if you guys haven't seen it. It looks like it's got a bunch of different things. Poster. I'll post up a picture of it in case you guys didn't see it and want to read about it. One thing that I'm just going to point out is really interesting is they did for a couple of months where they actually posted links to information about the watches on these cards. They don't seem to be doing that anymore. I wonder why that is. Just one of those things that make you go, as CNC Music Factory used to say. And yes, I did just age myself right there. Looks like I have a Blackwell. Never heard of them. Cardboard box. We open it up. And what do we have? So we have the Blackwell warranty card, and look at this. It's actually filled out on the back. It says Watchgang is the retailer, June 8th, 2018. And this is the watch. It is a Blackwell. I don't know anything about these guys, but one thing I will say right off the bat, it is a stainless steel band bracelet, and it does meet my preferences. Not a bad looking watch. So if we zoom in a little bit, let's see, it's decent size. I'm gonna take a stab and guess and say it's 43, 44 millimeters, maybe 42, I could be wrong. Does have a stainless steel bracelet, which meets my preferences, which is cool. I do like the black dial on it. If we flip it over here, you can see an open case display back, and that does have a Seiko NH35A movement in it, so it's a pretty common automatic movement. One thing I do notice real quick off the top of your head, this bracelet does have quick release pins in the bracelet, so it should be real easy to swap out with a leather strap. Again, I don't know anything about this company, so I'm going to have to dive into it and see what I can find out a little bit more. But I just wanted to share that with you guys when I got it. Again, I received the Blackwell as a part of my Watchgang Black subscription for June 2018. Watchgang Black subscription, June 2018, is a Blackwell automatic with a Seiko NH35 movement. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Don't forget to check back tomorrow. Likely tomorrow I'll post up my Platinum subscription unboxing. We'll see what we get with that guy. But as always, guys, if you want to see this guy on my wrist or any of the watches I'm wearing on a daily basis, don't forget you can follow us at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. Thanks, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.